everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm doing some random cleaning and just some things that I have been needing to do, and then I'm going to be doing a very little bit of decorating for Valentine's Day, which includes a really cute little DIY. I'm not too into Valentine's Day, but I do think the pink decor is just fun to put out for a few weeks. So it's late morning here, probably around 11, and the first thing I wanted to do was vacuum the playroom. I was in here doing some wallpaper removal the night before and noticed it needed a vacuuming. After that, I started a load of laundry. I wanted to wash these new curtains that I got, and I had originally bought them to use in the playroom, but I decided that I didn't want blackout curtains in there. I wanted some light coming through, so I'm just going to use them in Chase's room instead. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. It's later in the day at this point, after lunch, and I'm just cleaning up the kitchen from that, loading the dishwasher with more dishes. If I could fly. I needed to dust off this hutch, but instead of doing it the usual way with spray and a cloth, I decided to try out a different way and use this static duster that I've had for a long time, but I hardly ever use. I didn't even know that it came apart actually into this shorter piece. It's normally on like a long pole, but it does unscrew at the top and it turns into like this little handheld thing. So I don't know, I thought it might just be an easier way to do quick dustings when I need to.
Your own doubts, but it will get you no matter how far you go. It haunts you every night. I tried so hard to forget what we had, but then something reminds me of you. Do you remember the necklace you gave me? I wear it every day, and oh, it's been a long time since we were together, but there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly.
This tablecloth was all wrecked just from being used, and also Chase poked a huge hole in it, so I needed to take it off and put on another one. If you're wondering why I'm using tablecloths though, it's just because I was tired of cleaning out the cracks in the table of crumbs and everything that gets stuck in there. So this solves that problem, but it honestly kind of creates another one because now I'm constantly on the hunt for these wipe clean tablecloths, because these ones they're like $3 or something at Walmart, and they only last a couple of weeks. I hate when it moves around and like when the edges are hanging down, so to keep it in place and to make it look a little bit nicer, I just tape down the edges underneath the table, and then I use clothespins to pin up the corners.
Think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon.
Now for a little bit of decorating. I started with the letterboard, taking down my Christmas saying I had on there. And I really didn't know what else to put on here for Valentine's Day, so I just ended up taking these XO signs that I had already and just resting them on there for now. Then I just draped this cute pom-pom garland over the top. I've had this for a couple years now. I think it's adorable.
Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close.
It's nothing much at all, but everything looks cute when you add lights.
And I still have hope. I'm waiting.
This is a wreath that I made years ago, and I still love it. It's made from coffee filters, cardboard, and craft paint. And I'm gonna keep putting it up every year until I just decide that I don't like it anymore.
I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past.
Now on to my little DIY decoration. I saw this somewhere, maybe Pinterest, I don't know, but it's a heart garland made from cardboard and yarn, and I thought it looked so cute and simple to make, and the only thing I had to buy was the yarn. So I just traced a heart shape on some cardboard and cut out a bunch of them.
Time moves slow. I'm not high or low. No, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never.
I found this perfect yarn at Walmart. It's striped in different color pinks, and it was only $2 or $3.
Never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself.
Then you just wrap the string around a bunch of times until you like how it looks, and then I just tied it in the back.
Feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy. Spending time apart and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone and I don't think this will get better until you come around.
I hung it on our hutch in the kitchen, and I think it looks so adorable. That is it for this video though. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
But I